Hi, I'm doing a tour of Carnival Panorama, cabin 6449. It's a balcony. Lucky to be on board at 11 a.m. and the room is all ready. So we can put our stuff away. You've got a cabin, or I'm sorry, safe, a few drawers, a fridge to put some water in for your beverages, plenty of shelves. This ship is 2019. It's set sail, so it's pretty new. Here is the sofa that you can make into a bed. And here you've got the lamp, obviously. But what I'm really interested in, aside from this nice TV, is do we have USB ports by the bed? Which we do not. Okay. So this is pretty much it. So you're going to want to bring an extension cord. There's USB ports there, but that doesn't help if you want to keep your phone charged next to your bed. And then there's the Queen Mary. How cool is that? And then this is the balcony. There's the terminal. Temperature control, hopefully that works really well. And then your standard Carnival bathroom, which at least the walls are kind of a vanilla color. Good shelves, magnifying mirror, shelves. It's a nice room. It's a nice home away from home. In addition to showing you my cabin, I wanted to show you what I pack for a 7-day cruise to the Mexican Riviera. So I pulled out from the front pocket of this soft-sided carry-on, and also, as you've seen before, if you watched my other videos, I do 2 carry-ons so I can get it through security and not worry about them losing a big suitcase, which has almost happened before. So this is, say it's nightgown is in here, and then also I carry an extra small little bag like that because that can always come in handy. Definitely need a hand fan, and I've got multiple pairs of shoes, and what these are my actual running shoes. This is my toothpaste, toiletries like that. This is my makeup. Here is basically all of what I'm going to wear. So it's shorts, jeans, t-shirts. I'm super casual. I do not dress up. Electronic, like chargers. This is undergarments, bathing suits, cover up. More shoes. So I bring a couple pairs of flip-flops and a couple pairs of like casual shoes, 1 pair of Birkenstocks. And what I had in my front pocket of this is just in case it rains, HDMI cord in case I need something that goes from my iPad over to this, using this as a monitor. Always bring snacks because their candy's really expensive on board. For my second bag, what I have here are my workout outfits, workout every day. Even if I don't have enough, I brought some Tide detergent so I can wash an outfit or 2 in the sink to exercise in. These are leggings, lightweight jackets, a couple pairs of running socks. Here are my liquids. Always good to have a really lightweight type of hoodie or something like that that's really soft because it gets a little chilly at night on the ship. And curling iron, luxury brush, When I say luxury brush, I really shouldn't bring this because it takes up so much space, but this is kind of like that luxury. It does pretty well with my hair. And then I've got pool flip-flops. I've got my, I think these are called, and I have these other flip-flops that are pretty nice. I forgot if they're called Reef, but they're not. On Cloud, something like that. They're a little bit nicer. And then I have more On Cloud walking shoes in here, Birkenstocks, and then I have a visor for the pool. I have a visor for working out. I have my hairspray, full size. Obviously this is checked, and what you got to make sure you do is take the cap off and take off the nozzle, or the whole thing will just dissolve, and because of the air pressure underneath the plane, this whole thing will be empty. I learned it the hard way when I went to the UK. So take off that little sprayer. Okay, and here's one part of my flip-flops for the pool, eyeglasses, leggings I wore the other night, that's a scrunchie, swim goggles, and here's my mousse, just enough for the week. This is actually a waist pack that goes into like a really small bag, so that's good. And then face mask. That's pretty much it. And in here is my nightgown, a belt, and that's it.